Welcome to the Cooking General. This is a special edition. Now we're gonna do something today. I had to switch the schedule around because my baked pig feet video hit over 10,000. I'm like 10,000 hits. So I'm gonna barbecue some pig feet today, and I'm gonna barbecue them because some people didn't think you could bake them in the oven and they wasn't gonna get tender. And I proved that they was tender. And I'm gonna do them on the pit, and they're gonna even be harder before I put my special sauce to them and tin them up. And they're gonna be barbecued, they're gonna have that smoke flavor. I'm telling you, barbecue pig feet are good. You do not. If I'm gonna ball them in the house, I'm gonna stay in the house and cook them. When I'm outside, I'm gonna cook them outside. If I put them in the oven, I'm gonna put them in the oven. And another concern I had on my video about my pig feet, oh, he didn't wash those pig feet. The pig feet are all washed. I cut down on time. It makes the video shorter. Look, I just used up some time now just to explain this to you. Now, I'm gonna do these barbecue pig feet. And it's gonna be easy to start off because I'm gonna show you what you're gonna need for your special sauce later on. But right now, the only thing you need, charcoals, starter fluid, and pig feet. That's it. That's all you need right now. And you got the frost started. It's about around 300 or 400. That's what I want. I want it real hot. I'm putting them directly. And you see, I'm putting them bone down. They cut, and I'm putting them on there just like this. They hadn't been pre-balled, and they're gonna be tender, just as tender as the ones that you seen in the baked video. And I can prove them all. Yes, the grill has been cleaned. I don't do step by step how much salt, how much I learned how to do basic. You show me basically what you do, I'll figure out the rest. Because I'm adding my own seasoning. Some people might not want a half a teaspoon of salt. They might want 2 teaspoons. That's why I do these videos. I do these videos, I have nieces, nephews, grandkids, my kids. Watch these videos. I don't get paid to do this. It's not my job. It's my hobby. And I love it. And I'm gonna continue to do it. So, this is gonna be barbecue pig feet. You ain't never seen nobody do them? You probably won't. Maybe I'll tell you what you need to do. You need to call somebody. Maybe email them. Oh, no, text. No, better yet, you better ask somebody. Oh, okay. Welcome back to the Cooking General. We these pig feet ready, okay? Look at that. Temperature at 300. Whew. Hold on. Now look at that. See there? You want them to get like that. See there? Look at that. Now I got that skin crisp. Now look, you thought the other was hard? I ain't gonna ball these. They gonna be tender on this pit. Trust me. They looking good. That's what I want them. Just like that. Whew. Just turn them over. Oh, he ain't washed his thing. Man, come on now, y'all. I'm showing you how to cook something. Ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General, boy. We got them going now. Look here. Check them out. Barbecue pig feet. Now look at that. They crisp. Look at that. I got them just brown, just enough. Now, the secret to the sauce is you're gonna need about 1.5 cups of water. I already measured it. Pour them over like that. Now, you want to shake your little minced garlic on it, like that. Some black pepper. Right there. Paprika, just for the color. Right there. Onion and bell pepper. That. Now, remember that vinegar now, not much vinegar. Just about right there. Now, we're gonna sprinkle a little barbecue sauce on them. This barbecue sauce gonna thin out. Believe me, it's gonna thin out. Once it start cooking in that fall, it's gonna thin out. Well, about right there. I don't get too messy with it. Now, I'm gonna put a little Tony's on it. You can use your favorite seasoning though on this here. But I like the Tony, how it makes them turn out. Has a good barbecue flavor. And a little Worcestershire sauce. About right there. Now, we're gonna cover these up. That. Make sure you have you got them covered good. And we're gonna put them on the pit. We're gonna let them go for a few hours. Then we're gonna open the foil up. We're gonna turn them. And we're gonna keep on that pit. They're gonna be just as tender. You better ask somebody. Let's go to the pit right now. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Now you can see they still hard as a rock. I'm just showing you. You'll put them back on there. My pit is about 300. Place them booking on the pit. like that, and just let them go. Now y'all gonna roll with me? Let's roll. We're gonna do this stuff right now. But I got something I gotta do. I gotta go pick up something. I get. Hold on, this is a quick video from the cook in general. Hey, my camera person don't even know I got this phone, but I had to show y'all this little break in the thing. See that? They still on the pit. And they probably tell me you gotta ball them. Look, these pig feet are balling in this package. See there? The foil keeps them. Let's see if I can get a good shot of it. Right there, look at that. See how they bubbling? It's bubbling? They cooking just fine. They gonna be tender. I gotta go. Okay, now we back. These have been barbecued on the pit for a while. You say you got to ball them first, you don't have to. I'm telling you, follow the techniques I tell you about. Look at here. This is barbecue pig feet. I'm just now opening them up off the pit. Look at them. Look at them. Look. And you think they not tender? Look at that. Look. Look at that. Look at the bone company. You could do any of them like that. Look at that. Look at this. It says fall apart. All apart. Look at that. Now I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. The cooking children know this. Now, get you a piece of cornbread on there. Okay. A tender barbecue pig feet. It got barbecue smoke flavor in it. You see me barbecue it. All right. Let's get some black-eyed peas. Look at that. Black-eyed peas. Look at that. I got a little sausage in there, too. Little black-eyed peas and sausage. With cornbread and a pig feet. Want to top it off? Top it off with some sweet potatoes with the butter in there and all that. Whoo, man. I don't even know if I want to do another video. You don't have to follow me. I can do this. No, all the time I ain't trying to do this no more. I can do this.
Like that, you ain't got to do all that. I am done with your ass. I'm done. Bye.